Hello, today I'm going to do some primering on the chassis just to see where I'm at. I'm probably only going to do the bottom. I'm going to do something a little bit different this time. I'm going to make my normal length videos like I have been, and I'm going to try to make a condensed version. This is going to be the condensed version. If you want the normal long style, click the link below. Thank you. Alright, so as you can see, and I showed you this last time, I've got most of the marks filled in, and I know I've got a couple more to do. I'm going to go ahead and primer it and see where I'm at with the rest of them, and because I know I'm going to have to fill a couple of them in anyway. Alright, as you can see, I've still got to fix a lot of places. So I'm going to do some putty on those. Alright, so there's the spots that filled up. I'll have to let that dry before I can sand it down. I'll shoot another coat of primer over the top of it, and we'll see where we're at there. It should be pretty good after I get that done. There wasn't much, but what primer does is show your flaws. What I'm using is 3M Super Red Putty 05099. I want to show you this. So this is the firewall. I'm going to paint it when I paint everything else. But I put this piece of tape on it on the bottom side to keep this plastic and not painted, because glue will stick to plastic better than it will paint. With the way the roll cage is, just from what I experienced, when you put this front bar in, it spreads the roll cage out in the front. So when I set it up, it sat in there fine. Once I glued that bar in, it pushed it all the way out on the one side. I don't know if you can see that or not. It pushed it out. So you kind of got to force it to get it to go, and that just puts a little bit of pressure here. So to combat that, I'm going to try to have the firewall glued in very well so it doesn't basically come apart. So I've got the valve covers on the engine. I put the carburetor on and painted it. The only thing I have left to do really on the engine is the headers, which are almost painted, and the belt and pulley system, which is mostly painted as well. Alright, I do have the first coat of everything roll cage related done, painted in semi-gloss black. I'll probably need to flip everything over and do the underside of the stuff I couldn't get from the angle it's in right now. And what I used is Tester's semi-gloss black 296207. But I think that's all I've got for tonight. See you later.